In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Discord overlay in-game. To get started, open Discord on your computer and look to the bottom left corner of the app. There you'll see the small gear icon for user settings. Go ahead and click that to open your settings menu. This is where Discord keeps most of the customization options you'll need for features like the in-game overlay. Once you're in the settings area, look over to the left sidebar and scroll down until you reach the activity settings section. In that section, click on Game Overlay. This page controls whether Discord can appear on top of your game while you're playing, which is useful if you want to check voice chat, messages, or who's speaking without needing to tab out of the game. Now, on the Game Overlay page, find the option labeled Enable In-Game Overlay and switch it on. When it's enabled, the toggle will turn green. That tells you the feature is active globally, meaning Discord is ready to use the overlay in supported games. After that, set your preferred toggle lock hotkey. This shortcut is what you'll press while you're in a game to open or close the overlay menu. The default key combination is Shift plus the tilde key, but you can keep that or change it to something that feels more comfortable and doesn't interfere with your game controls. Choosing a shortcut you can remember easily will make the overlay much more convenient to use. Once everything is turned on and your hotkey is set, you're ready to use Discord's in-game overlay. If you open a game and use your shortcut, the overlay should appear so you can interact with Discord more smoothly while playing. That's all it takes to get it set up.